Hey everybody, my package has arrived from the New York Trans Museum store online, and it is the new Munipals. I'm sorry, I can't show you the bag because their address is on the other side. Oh, gotta take off to receive. Alright. I'm not gonna show it because this receive is private, but I already took off on this side. And it is the 9 train and the Munipals money train. It just came out back in October. Here it is. 9 train and money train. R21 and R15. Alright, let's make it lighter. Alright, here it is, everybody. 9 train and money train Munipals. These are new from the Nagasto series. The 9 train was discontinued on May 31st, 2005, was due for the 9/11 attacks. 4 years ago, taking place in 2005. And the money train money room was closed in January 2006, I think. Oh wow, I wasn't that born yet. Not born yet in 2006. Alright, I might have to do it quick because later we're gonna do the Munipals collection. Since two No Guesses series just came out. Alright, Elinor, Fluttershy, sorry, Rainbow Dash, new Munipals. Yes! Right, Ping Pong, new Munipals trains. Right, Elinor? Yes. Right, Fluttershy, not you, Emo. Yeah. Can't wait to see new Munipals. Rarity. Okay. Are you excited? Yes. Alright. I better fix your hair soon. Yeah. Alright. Here we go. Let's open the trains. Let's start with the 9 train. Here it is. This is the Broadway 7th Avenue local. Kind of looks like a red 6 train, but it's a 9, not a 6. They wish they had an 8 train. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. There's no 8 trains in New York City subways. Here's the Chicago, Pennsylvania, Philadelphia. Here's the flyer. I have all of them already. Yay! I'm done with Munipals. Here's some new for SEPTA. I have the puzzle, but we couldn't complete the puzzle yet, but soon. Alright, everybody, I'm gonna finish the video quickly because I'm not telling, but I'll let you know in the video, in the community post. We already have these 2 buses. Alright, now time for the last one is Money Train. This is the Y train. There's no Y train, it's only the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, J, L, M, N, Q, R, S for the shuttle train, W, Y, and Z. Well, Y and Z could be considered Money Train. Money Train is going to be considered Y train. It says not in service. It's considered a work train. Here's the same flyer. We're not going to show it because I don't have time. It says not in service, money train. These are the new Munipals. Kind of similar to a work train. I'm going to compare it right now. Although it's a little scratched because we just made it like a box. Look nice. Compared to the work train and the money train. This train is considered like a garbage train or authorized train. Alright everybody, I hope you liked this video. Hold on, I haven't put some tracks. Alright, we'll put this like a thumbnail for the 9 and alright. Sorry. Alright everybody. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry. Alright everybody, hope you like my new Munipals. So thanks for watching. I better go now because we have to do something. Alright. That's it. That's all my Munipals collection. Peace out.